Hey guys, it's Yani here.
I'm Fabio.
And we're back with another video. Today's video, we're gonna be reacting to TNT boys singing. Oh, their new single! They have a new single!
Oh my god! It's called Together We Fly.
It's their first single. We are so proud of them.
It's their first one? Oh my god, that's amazing.
First one. We're so proud of them. They've come a long way. We're gonna react to it. We're gonna review to it. So we're gonna pause the video. So if you are mad of us pausing the video, this is a reaction video. So if you're mad, go watch the video first and come back.
You don't need to explain. It's their fault. It's your fault, guys.
So we're gonna pause and watch and at the same time, and we're so excited and proud of them. It's been, oh my god,
it's been a while.
It's been a while.
And I was just telling Yani, it's so funny because I was thinking about them yesterday because we reacted to Darren Espanto, and I was like, oh my god, he was a kid as well, just like TNT boys, and then he grew up.
I know.
And now TNT are growing.
Yes.
And this single, I'm expecting so much harmonies.
It sounds like the single is gonna be the song is gonna be in English.
Oh,
so I don't have to translate anything for you.
That's great.
So if you guys have not subscribed to this channel, we do this type of video. We also do vlogs, and go ahead subscribe and
we
like
do a
this
lot
video.
of fun stuff.
Comment down below what kind of videos you would like us to do next.
Why do you come like this to get kissed and then you go away? You fucking.
So they sang this on Wish 1. I have to say it again. I have to say it. Wish 1075.
I'm so shocked how similar your voice is.
Wish 1075.
Anyway, when you talk normal, you're like, oh yeah.
I know. Anyway, without further ado, let's get right into the video.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Do it. Do it.
I'm already
shocked. I love this intro. Very soft.
I like the lyrics already. Fasten your
seatbelt.
seatbelt. We're gonna take you on a ride.
This is gonna be our soundtrack for our world tour.
I thought you were gonna say it's a soundtrack for our wedding.
No. We're not
there. Guys, we're going traveling for a year. We're gonna go to Philippines, so keep an eye out for that. Oh my god, fasten your seatbelt and we're gonna take you for a ride. Oh my gosh! I'll do it.
Oh my god.
It's catchy. Oh, she's having trouble with that. Okay, we're not ready. Francis, we're not ready.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Francis, we're not ready.
It's all you're
back up.
50 seconds into the song.
It's just 50 seconds into the song and Francis is belting out here, delivering high notes already. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is such an inspirational song.
It's a celebration of their friendship. It's true.
Yeah, because if you think about it, they've been forever. They've been like into life stages and they've achieved so many things already, and all the struggles are there as well. So they're saying that there's no problems we can't face, there's no struggles we can't face, and stuff like that.
Yeah, the only problem I see is this uniform they're wearing, like with a name tag. What the hell is going on?
They look like people, flight attendants.
TNT airline. Look, they wanna dance. I feel like they wanna dance.
I'll be here with you. This is so cute.
Oh my god, they're so good and
they're so, oh my god, I don't know. Here we go with Francis with the high notes again. He never fails.
I'm shocked because they're growing and this is a trio.
Yes.
Their voices are all changing.
Yes.
So they constantly, the vocal coach or whatever they're following them, they constantly have to adjust
to every single
harmonies and everything based on how their voices are changing.
Yes.
They are doing amazing job.
I know.
So shout out to the vocal coaches.
Yep. It's crazy. Look at Francis. He just wants to dance to the song.
Totally.
Together we fly. It's so catchy too. Together to fly.
Look at the audience in the back. Nice, the pretty voice. I'm loving his voice.
Wow.
It's all like up
It's
there.
all high up there. Why is Francis' high notes so effortless?
They really are. It's so
effortless.
his voice
it's crazy.
is beautiful, and I feel like he's becoming a bolder musician somehow.
I know.
I don't know. I wonder if they play instruments too.
I know. Okay, so we're part of the song where it's like becoming so mellow. That's
I feel like now there's gonna be a
build up.
Emotional.
There's gonna be a build up.
Oh, I thought the opposite. I thought it was gonna be like a very emotional.
Yeah,
side.
now it's emotional, but it's build up to the chorus again.
Okay, let's see.
Francis sings like this.
Look, his headphones are changing position every 2 seconds.
Whistle tone? Are we gonna hear a whistle tone? Wow!
Oh my god.
There we go! Whistle tone! Whistle tone!
Is that whistle gonna be there forever, you think?
Well,
like some people are born with it and it's gonna stay.
Together we fly. The whistle tone will fly there together forever. Forever is gonna be there. But can we talk about that long hair though?
I know.
How long is that hair gonna be? Anyway, it's cute. Hey. Francis, what's wrong with your headphones?
Because his head is too small for the head.
Oh, that's beautiful. Those are beautiful notes.
So,
oh my gosh.
so beautiful. I love them. They make me smile so much.
I'm smiling.
Especially Francis' headphones, like.
It started from the back and in the middle and then now it's at the front.
Then it was like eyeglasses.
Yes. But overall the song is so inspirational.
Oh my gosh. Amazing. Amazing. I'm very happy for them.
It's a perfect song for them because they talk about adventures and what they've been through together
and being together
and struggles and the success they've had for this years in the business and the performances. Like they've been all over the world. They were on
they literally have been
world's
all
best.
Over the world.
Yeah, they've been performing all over the world. They met Ariana Grande. So whoever wrote this song for them is perfect.
Maybe
I love it.
Maybe they did.
And it showcased every single voice.
Yeah.
The whistle tone is there, Francis Belt, all the runs from Maki.
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's amazing.
Very happy.
I'm so proud. I actually like the song.
Very good job, guys.
Yeah.
So thank you so much for watching. Let us know what other video you would like to see
next. Let us know what you think of the song.
And comment down below.
Yes.
And like us or dislike. It doesn't matter to me.
Like us on Instagram. Bye guys.
Bye.